viewers, welcome to the another session of Finance Guru. So today I am going to ask you some important questions. This is particularly especially for BCom students. So the first question I am going to ask you, what is the difference between capital expenditure and revenue expenditure? This is very important question not only for BCom students. Wherever you are attending to any interview, this question is very relevant. What is the difference between capital expenditure and revenue expenditure? So, what is the meaning of capital expenditure? Each and every company, they are dividing the expenditure two types, that is capital expenditure and revenue expenditure. What is the actual meaning of this both? So, I'll tell you, first of all, what is the meaning of capital expenditure? Capital expenditure is the expenditure the company is spending money to purchase the fixed asset. What is fixed asset? Land, plant, building, machineries, furniture, this and all fixed asset. So company need to purchase all these things. So whenever the company is spending money to purchase all these things, it is known as capital expenditure. Now, what is the meaning of revenue expenditure? Revenue expenditure means the company is spending money to pay the salary, rent, electricity bill, postage, telegram, insurance. Within 1 year, what and all they are spending, that is known as revenue expenditure. So this both the questions are very relevant question, very important questions, capital expenditure and revenue expenditure. Now, next second question is very important. What is the difference between journal and ledger? So this is very simple question, but it's very important. What is the meaning of journal? Journal is the original entry of financial transaction of a business recorded properly to understand the various transactions. So journal is the original entry of the business transaction or financial transactions. What is ledger? Ledger is the final entry. From journal, we are posting each transaction to ledger. So ledger is a head-wise. Each head-wise we are posting each the transactions. What are the different heads? Sales, cash account, purchase. Likewise, many types of heads are there. Under each head, we are posting the journal entry to the ledger account. Next, the third question is, what is trial balance? Trial balance is another record transferring from ledger account. So after the preparation of ledger account, we are transferring each ledger account as the particular date wise to the trial balance. So in this name itself, it's mentioning trial balance. So trial balance both side, even debit and credit both side will be there. Both side always should be equal. That means debit and credit side always should be equal. So we are checking, the company is checking the arithmetical accuracy, whether any mistake is there or any corrections are there. The company is checking through trial balance. So trial balance is also another financial record of the business. Next record is cash book. So what is the meaning of cash book? Cash book is another financial record to record or to enter all the cash receipt and payments. How much cash inflows and outflows, how much cash we spend, how much we earned. Through the cash book, the company can get the clear-cut information. So cash book we can divide into three. Single column cash book, double column cash book, triple column cash book. Single column cash book means the company is entering only the cash payment and cash receipt. It's very simple. And double column cash book, company is entering the cash transaction and bank transaction also. How much cash we received through bank and how much we are giving through the bank. So double column cash book is include cash balance and bank balance also. Next, the third one, triple column cash book. In this triple column cash book, cash balances, bank balances and discount also including in the triple column cash book. So cash book is a financial record to enter all the cash receipt and cash payments. We can divide the cash book into three, that is single column cash book, double column cash book and triple column cash book. Next question is, what is final account? Final account is very important and very valuable financial record of each and every company. Final account includes trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. So as we learned that trading account is a factory account. So what and all expenses or earnings we are getting through factory. For example, production where we are doing in factory only. So that and all we are including trading account. So trading account, what and all items will come under debit side and credit side. So we know that in the debit side of the trading account, we are starting with the opening stock. Always opening stock. So opening stock means last year closing stock will be this year opening stock. So trading account starting with the opening stock. Then purchases. If any purchases returns are there, we have to minus the purchase return from particular purchases. Then wages, carriage inward, royalty, this type of items will come debit side of the trading account. Then credit side of a trading account, what and all is coming? Sales. If any returns, sales returns are there, that also should be deducted from the particular sales. Then closing stock. These are all the important items coming under trading account. After completion of the trading account, what result will get? Either gross profit or gross loss. This balance will be transferred to profit and loss account. Profit and loss account is completely we are doing as per the nominal rule. What is the nominal rule? Debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. This is the rule of nominal account. So while you are preparing profit and loss account, completely we are following the nominal rule. So debit side of the profit and loss account, what and all will come? Salary paid, rent paid, electricity bill paid, postage paid, insurance paid. This type of expenses, what and all we paid, that will come under debit side of the profit and loss account as per the nominal rule. Then credit side, commission received, rent received, discount received, this type of gains, it will enter the credit side of the profit and loss account. Then after preparation of the profit and loss account, what result the company will get? Either net profit or net loss. This balance will transfer to balance sheet. That is the final statement. So this is known as final account. So final account or financial statement, balance sheet, all are same. So at last we are preparing the balance sheet. Balance sheet only two columns are there, liabilities and assets. First we have to write liabilities, then second column assets. Now what and all coming under liabilities? We are starting with the capital because the company's capital is very important. That is the capital investing by the company to start a business or to maintain the business. So as per the company, capital is very important. So capital always showing or we are entering the liability side of the balance sheet. With the capital, we have to add the net profit. If net loss is there, we have to deduct from the capital. So capital plus net profit minus drawings. What is the meaning of drawings? If the company owner is withdrawing money for personal use, that is known as drawings. So if any drawings are there, the company need to deduct from the capital or from the net profit. Then capital plus net profit minus drawings. This is the procedure. Then what and all we can write in liability side? Creditors, bills payable, short-term loans, this type of bank overdraft. This is all coming under especially in liability side of the balance sheet. Then what and all coming under asset side of the balance sheet? Cash balance, bank balance, debtors, then bills receivable, plant, machinery, building, furniture. This and all coming under asset side of the balance sheet. And always liability side and asset side should be equal, tally. Then only balance sheet. Up to till balance sheet we completed from trading to trading profit and loss account and balance sheet. So the last balance sheet answer should be tallied. So I hope this session is beneficial for you and you got many more ideas. And next session I'll do all this theory portion to the practical problems. So I'll do all the problems properly, how to prepare the cash book, double column, triple column, everything. And also I'll show you how to prepare the financial statement from trading profit and loss account to balance sheet. And this is the time to wind up the session. Next session we can meet again. So don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Next session we can meet again. Till then, bye.